And hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel, Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Thank you for joining me on this channel. Today's broadcast is titled, Are You Contacting Tech Support for Help? But before I get started, I'd like to shout out some of our newest members to the channel. Welcoming the new members of the channel, Nathaniel Colico, Norman Gonzalez, Alex Mills, and Vaniel Tate. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate you, and thank you for your support. So I'd like to get into the broadcast by stating that there's too many times that as technicians, we get out there in the field and a lot of times we have no problems, we have no issues that we run into, and we get through the calls pretty steady. You may seek help from fellow technicians, but sometimes you don't get, you're not able to figure out certain things on certain pieces of equipment and you get stuck. I mean, it happens. This industry, there's so many different pieces of equipment. There's so much new equipment coming out on a regular basis that it's hard to be able to keep up with it all, and it's hard to understand the ins and outs of some of this new equipment. So you need the assistance a lot of times, and I know a lot of times as technicians, it's hard for us to say, we need some help or something like that. But let me tell you, don't be embarrassed about it. You should always be willing to reach out to either a fellow technician, if you're working for another company, maybe your supervisor, anything like that. But the main thing is, when you're working on some equipment and you're stuck on it, a certain part of it, a certain part of the repair, um, it's a good thing to always keep in mind to reach out to the manufacturer tech support lines, or go online and check out the manufacturer's website. And on all of these websites, you're going to find the tech support department. You're going to find the service manuals that you need that are going to help you get through the call. So I wanted to put this together today because I put together a short list of some of the major manufacturers that you'll find out there in the C stores. If you're servicing a lot of the C stores, you'll find a lot of this equipment in those locations. So I wanted to put this together, and hopefully this is helpful to you all. And I hope you can take down a lot of this information for you in the future. It'll help you. And let's go to it. I'm going to start off with Bunn Manufacturing. As you see, they have the links right up here. And I will also leave these links in the description of this video also. So be sure to go down and check out the description, and I'm going to leave the links in there as well. So for Bunn Manufacturing, and this covers a lot of the equipment that you're going to see out there in the field. Like I said, I'm going to highlight the tech support number. Hopefully you can make that out. It's 800-626-2866. That's their you'll be able to reach out and get their tech support line, and they also have a direct tech support line. See if I can highlight that for you also. That tech support line is 800-286-6070. That's 800-286-6070. So give that a try. If you're running into any issues in with the bun coffee brewers or bun equipment, you'll be able to reach out to them as far as getting your assistance that you need on a particular brewer or a particular coffee grinder or juice machine. They have a whole realm of equipment that you will see, especially when you go to their site. And their site, you can reach them at Bun. Let's see if I can highlight that also. That's commercial.bun.com. Okay, www.commercial.bun.com. So, by all means, reach out to them, and they will get you the help that you need. Give me a second. Let me just see if I can come to the next one that I have listed. Believe that would be Turbo Chef. So, yeah, we should have that coming up. There we go. Yeah, so we have Turbo Chef tech support line. They have a standard number. Give me a second. Let me scroll down and get you the 1-800 number right here. It's right at the bottom. That would be 800-90 turbo. That's 800-90 turbo. If you're not familiar with the keypad, let me just see if I could pull it up for you. That would be 800-90 and then turbo. So that would be 88726. That would be 800-908-8726. I'm just going to give that a quick try, and it comes right up. Okay, so that's the number right there. So that's the number you want to call. Hopefully you got that. I'm just going to say that again. That tech support number for Turbo Chef is 800-908-8726. Okay, so that's Turbo Chef. And again, you can see on their website, they have, all the information you need. They have all the information, and they have their price list if you're looking for equipment and stuff like that. They have the various products that they carry. They got the different recipes. Like I said in some of my past videos, their Turbo Chef does have recipes that are specific for certain C-stores. Like they have a Subway recipe. They have a 7-Eleven recipe. There's recipes for Dunkin' Donuts. All of the various locations, they have particular recipes that are set up for those locations. So you may be in need of that, but more so, this is for your tech support needs. So hopefully you're able to take that down. And let's see what else I have up here. I'm just going through some of I have a lot of them already bookmarked, so I'm just going through them. Wilbur Curtis. Wilbur Curtis is another one when it comes to coffee equipment. You're on your hot side. They have a lot of helpful information on their website as well. That would be wilburcurtis.com. And like I said, I will try to get most of these links in the description for you. And I'm not sure if you can see that number. I want to try to see if I can highlight it for you. Yeah, it's not letting me highlight it, but I'm going to read it off for Wilbur Curtis Tech Support. That number is 800-421-6150. That's 800-421-6150. So hopefully that will be helpful to you for Wilbur Curtis. Let me just go through and pick up another one. FETCO. Let's see what FETCO has. FETCO, I believe, also has some training coming up. Also, I posted in I created a post in the community section. If you go there, I did post some upcoming training for FETCO equipment. And they have a tech support line right here. I was trying to see if they have a 800 number for it, but it doesn't seem like they do. So it's not an 800 number, but it is a number for you to reach their tech support. That number is 847-719-3000. That's 847-719-3000. Give me a second. Let me see what comes up here on this. I wanted to. Yeah, so they go through. They have like a video library also that you can check out where they're going over their unboxing and how to assemble equipment. The nitro cold brew units, they're going over that. And they also have one on the secrets to infusing spirits. And they have like six videos up there. So that's something that, you could check out also on their site. Their website is at fetco.com/tech support, and you'll be able to go there. And if you ever wanted to, reach out to them, you can send them your information right here where it says request tech support. You can go ahead and send a request in, or you can just call that number direct. Usually that would be the case if you're out there in the field, okay? So keep that in mind. And then let me just show you the training that they have coming up. Yeah, right here, FETCO Technician Training Events. They have 3 events that are coming up. One event is March 19th. Another one is May 21st. and another is June 25th, and that's going to be at their FETCO headquarters in Lake Zurich, Illinois. Okay, so go online and check that out. And then, like I said, I also um, created a post in the community section on YouTube that you could get the information to that for that training. Okay, and their training, excuse me, their training is free. You just have to pay for your transportation to get there and your housing once you get there. Okay, so that is something that you might want to look into, and that's for FEDCO. So I will be sure to leave this information in the description below. Let's keep it going here. Let's see, APW Wyatt. That's your roller grills, okay? And you have a lot of those in the um, C stores. You have a ton of those in the C stores. So you'll want to take down this number for their tech support. Their tech support line is 800 527 2100. That's 800 527 2100. Okay, and you will, when you call that number, you're going to have to press the prompt number 3 during normal business hours, and then that'll take you to their tech support department. And they also have that same number is available if it's after hours, okay? And someone will pick up or someone will get in contact with you if you leave a message, if it's after hours. And that's for APW. Moving on to NIMCO. NIMCO roller grills. They're located in Hicksville, Ohio. Their contact number is right up here in the left. That's 800 782 6761. That's 800 782 6761. So you can also give NIMCO a call if you're running into issues with your NIMCO roller grills. And then next we have Vindo, Sandin Vindo, hot food cases. Okay, this is a major distributor of hot food cases. Let me just see if I can bring this down a little bit. Okay, try to see if I can locate their number. Trying to see if I could highlight it for you. It's a little small, but I'll read it off for you. The tech support number for Sandin Vindo, that's 800 344 7216. That's 800 344 7216. And that's the tech support number for Sandin Vindo. And they do days, micro market designs, installation services, and you can go on their website. It's vindoco.com. That's vindoco, as in co.com. You can see some of the vending equipment, refrigerated equipment, and food service equipment. So they do they do have a that they provide. Next up, we have Lancer. Lancer Worldwide headquarters is located in San Antonio, Texas. You can see their service number right here. That's 800-729-1500. That's 800-729-1500. So you can always go there if you choose with your Lancer FS30 machines, or excuse me, or FS18s, or any of the Lancer equipment you may run into. You can also go to technical operations contact form, and you can fill out a contact form if you like and submit it. And they have a lot of helpful links on their site also, so you could go to the links and you will definitely see some good information there for you. And they're also going to be having a show coming up at the NFM, the NAFEM show 2025. They're going to be located at booth number 6542. That's coming up in 6 days. I'm not really sure where that is going to be located at, but you can look it up. You can look that up. Just want to try to get you as much information on the tech support lines, because it's so important to be able to reach out to have some numbers that you can reach out to if you're in a jam. And get the help you need. Cornelius is affiliated with Marmon Link Food Service Technologies. A lot of you probably already have that number. I'm gonna see if I can highlight that and read it off for you. That's Cornelius. That number for tech support is 800-238-3600. 800-238-3600. And you can they also have a form that you can fill out and submit if you would like them to contact you. They have an area on their website, which is cornelius.com. They have that where you could get specifications of equipment, manuals, training, tech tips, service providers, warranty support, where to buy equipment or parts, and then they have a contact us listing also. But Cornelius is in everything too. Fountain, frozen, juice machines, coffee, ice. So that's definitely a number that you can use to contact tech support. Now we're going to get into some Isomatic. That's another one. They're out of Denver, Colorado. Try and highlight that number for you. That number is 800-423-3367. That's 800-423-3367. So definitely reach out to them if you're ever in a jam on a Isomatic ice maker. you could go to their website, which is isomatic.com, and you will be able to, you can also go to their tech support email link that is on their website, and you'll be able to email them directly too. But it's always best, if you're in a jam, it's best to try to give them a call. And then that way you can get the help you need right away. So that's Isomatic. Next, I'm going to go over to Hoshizaki. Hoshizaki number is right up there in the corner. They also offer a ton of information for you too. They have information for refrigeration, all of your freezers, your dual temperatures, pass-through refrigerators, roll in and roll through, glass door merchandisers, back bars, display cases, stuff like that. They have a lot of information on there. They even have a library available that you'll be able to go through once you go to their website. And in that library, they have their service manuals, they have videos, price lists, everything like that. And their tech support number is 1-800-233-1940. That's 800-233-1940. That's for Hoshizaki. And you can also go on their website and pick up some of these technicians pocket guides. These pocket guides are handy to have. You go through the wiring diagrams, the system charges, performance data, and other technical data for you too. And they get into a lot of their new equipment, which has R12 refrigerant, R502, R22, R404A, R134A. So, go on there and check that out as well. That's Hoshizaki. And next we have Scotsman ice makers and products. Got your number right here. See if I can highlight that. That tech support number is 800-726-8762. That's 800-726-8762. And that's for Scotsman. And you can go on their site. It's portal, www.portal.scotsman-ice.com. I'll try to put that up in the description down below in the description as well. Okay, all of these I'm going to try to list them all for you in the description, so that you can definitely get this information, because I feel it'll be helpful information for you out there in the field. Because a lot of times if you get flustered, out there in the field trying to figure something out, you can't figure it out. You're talking to people and they're really not sure on what's going on with your equipment, and it's probably late and you're stuck, and you're trying to get out of the call so you can get home. I know how it is. So, it's always good to reach out to tech support, even on things where you're not sure. Even if you think you know what to do to fix the issue, but you're really not sure about it, reach out to them. Reach out to the manufacturer tech support, so that you can kind of confirm some things, and you may find out some new stuff while you're at it, and it's always a good practice to reach out to uh, manufacturer tech support. Let's see. Next, I got FBD, FBD Slurpee machines. Okay. See what it says there. We're here to help you. So, that's the thing, can't find what you need, infrequently asked questions, get in touch with a member of our team so that, like they're telling you, just reach out so that, they can help you out. They also have a form that you can fill out and email to them. But the most important is the contact information, the number. This one's not allowing me to highlight it, but I'll read it off to you all. It's 866 323 2777. Okay, that tech support line is 866 323 2777. Okay, so reach out to them if you are ever in need. And uh, their website is fbdfrozen.com, and you can go there. And on their website, you'll see some of their training. They have training information in there also. They have a training link right down here that you can click on that and check out their training that they have available. All right. And yeah, that's all. That's all that I have on that for now. Yeah, I will bring some more to you in the future, but for the most part, these are some of the major manufacturers that you'll find in your C stores as far as commercial equipment. So I'm hopeful that this will be helpful to you all. And let me know in comments if you have any questions or anything like that. Um, Throw it up in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Or you can email me at learnatrade1@gmail.com. And once again, I'd like to thank you all. I thank all of you are viewing these videos, and I thank you all for your comments. I thank the channel members and the website members as well. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you. And remember, if you did miss some of these numbers, I will put these down. These are down in the description for you as well. So feel free to go down in the description and check them out. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. That's all I have for now. Take care. Stay well.
Oh,